We all travel in time. We travel 1 year in time between birthdays. And we are all traveling in time at approximately the same speed, 1 second per second. NASA's space telescopes also gives us a way to look back in time. Telescopes help us see stars and galaxies that are very far away. It takes a long time for the light from faraway galaxies to reach us. So when we look into the sky with a telescope, we are seeing what those stars and galaxies looked like a very long time ago. However, when we think of the phrase time travel, we are usually think of traveling faster than 1 second per second. That kind of time travel sounds like something you'd only see in movies or science fiction books. Could it be real? Science says yes. How do we know that time travel is possible? More than 100 years ago, a famous scientist named Albert Einstein came up with an idea about how time works. He called it relativity. This theory says that time and space are linked together. Einstein also said our universe has a speed limit. What does this mean for time travel? Well, according to the theory, the faster you travel, the slower you experience time. Scientists have done some experiments to show that this is true. For example, there was an experiment that used two clocks set to the exact same time. One stayed on Earth while the other flew in airplane. After the airplane flew around the world, scientists compared the two clocks. The clock on the fast-moving airplane was slightly behind the clock on the ground, so the clock on the airplane was traveling slightly slower in time than 1 second per second. What does this mean for the time travel? However, the satellites are also orbiting Earth about 20,000 miles above the surface. This actually speeds up GPS satellite clocks by a slightly larger fraction of a second. Here's how. Einstein's theory also says that gravity curves space and time, choosing the passage of the time to slow down. High up where the satellites orbit, Earth's gravity is much weaker. This causes the clocks on the GPS satellites to run faster than clocks on the ground. The combined result is that the clocks on GPS satellites experience time at a rate slightly faster than 1 second per second. Luckily, scientists can use math to correct these differences in time. That's all for this video. If you liked video, don't forget to like and subscribe us.